right, we are going to do a recap of solving for y, our function form. So when I do this, my goal is to get y by itself so that it is y equals. I'm going to go ahead for number 6, our first one, I'm going to start by moving that 6x because it is attached by addition or subtraction first. Same idea with a two-step equation. We'd get rid of addition or subtraction and then multiplication or division. So because the 6 is positive, I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. That will leave me with 2y equals, and then in my order, a negative 6x plus 12. And then from here, I need to get rid of the multiplication, so I'm going to divide. I make sure to divide everything so that y is equal to a negative 3x plus 6. Number 7, same concept. I'm going to start by moving that 3x by subtracting it. That's going to leave me with a 4y is equal to negative 3x plus 8. I'm going to divide everything by 4. My rule, you need to make sure all your answers are in fraction form. So that's a negative 3/4 x plus my 2. Over on number 11, I'm going to start by subtracting that 8x from both sides since it was positive. I'm going to bring down, I'm going to make sure I don't lose that, a negative 3y equals negative 8x plus 17. I'm going to divide everything by negative 3. I'm going to make sure I leave in fraction form. I'm not going to use mixed numbers. It's going to be improper fractions. So this is going to give me a positive 8/3 x and then a negative 17/3. And then for my last one, I'm going to start by adding the 7x to both sides since that 7 was a negative. I will go ahead and bring down my negative 2y equals 7x plus 18. I'm going to add, or not add, sorry. I'm going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. See, even I make mistakes when I jump too fast. This is going to give me y equals, that'll give me a negative 7/2 x minus 9.